Before being appointed as Viceroy, Curzon had made a speech in London in the year 1898. And in that speech he said what? If we lose any part of our empire, it won't have any effect on us. If we lose any part of our empire, it won't have any effect on us. But if we lose India, the sun will set over the British Empire. There is a famous proverbial saying, you already know, the sun never sets on the British Empire. So it's a morning time, it's a scorching heat, okay, in Delhi. But in some other regions of the world, you might be knowing there is, okay, evening like Berlin, okay, it's still, okay, the sun might not have been there in Berlin, let it be like this. So you will find every region 24/7, wherever sun is casting its rays, there will be a British colony. In the night when we are sleeping, in some other regions there will be daytime, there will be a British colony. So for Britain, the sun is never setting. But he is saying what? If you lose India, the sun will set over the British Empire. So in this relationship or this dialogue, this speech, okay, is what? This speech is showing that how important India was for Britain. And certainly it was important because India was a prized possession in the imperial crown, a prized jewel in the imperial crown. 45% of England total trade was with India. Means 55% of the trade England had with the rest of the countries, and the remaining 45% was just with India. So such an imperialist viceroy would never allow India to slip away from its control. So when he came to India, he started thinking that way, that what he should do to control India. And the best way he had thought of to suppress the rising Bengali nationalism. Why? Because nationalism is antidote of imperialism. Because nationalism is a feeling of oneness, and when the feeling will emerge among the people who is being controlled by the foreigner, then the people, that power of nationalism will try to repel imperialism. So nationalism is antidote of imperialism, and in India, by 1900, by 1905, the epicenter of nationalism was Bengal. Why Bengal? Because first of all, the modern ideas of liberty, equality touched the source of boundaries of Bengal. Why? British had firstly controlled Bengal. So Bengal was much empowered than any of the country, than any of the regions of India. You see, early reformers, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Ishwar Vidyasagar, Henry Vivian Desrosiers, Ramkesh Paramhans, Vivekanand, most of them from Bengal. So Bengal was leading ahead than any of the region. So Bengali nationalism had to be suppressed. And the best way to do is that partition Bengal and create religious division. Curzon overtly said what? He said what? That Bengal is too big to be administered from a single capital, Calcutta. So for the sake of administrative convenience, we are planning to divide Bengal. Okay, we are planning to divide Bengal. But Indian leaders knew what was the real sinister but the dangerous motive behind partitioning Bengal.